Hello and welcome to our workshop. I'm Nicola from Perun Moto, and today I will show you how I'm packing for Mosko Moto Dusty Lizard 2026. Event will be held in Romania and we'll be there for 5 days. We will have camping bays and each day we'll ride around the base. This is why I'm packing in slightly different manner than I used to do when I go for just normal exploring and camping rides. I have Mosko Moto Reckless 40 on my Ténéré 700 Rally. Of course, we are using Perun Moto Gen 2 tie-down brackets and top luggage rack. Mosko Moto is attached using Gnoblin system, so removing and installing the bag is really easy. Now I'll show you how I'm packing. First, front and rear inner tubes. I just put these in the side pockets. Next, I'm using small Mosko Moto tank bag, no mini. I don't need larger one. And in it I carry some stuff I need to have at my hand. So this is Victorinox multi-tool. This is for checking tire pressure. I have a Zippo lighter, although I don't smoke. These are for my eyes, and this is sunblock screen. And sunglasses, low budget, so I don't care if I break it, and for cleaning my visor. Next, this is first aid kit, and I'm carrying it here, so it's always readily available. I hope I won't need it, but it's here. Next, this is basically clothing for camp and for riding. This is one soft shell jacket because we expect to be a little bit cold in the mountains. This is long sleeve, also one for colder weather, because you never know. These are long sleeve merino. I ride in these, so I will have one on me when we go on a trip, and these are for additional riding days. These are short sleeve merinos for camp and for sleeping. 2 pairs of underwear. These are riding socks, long ones, and these are short socks for camp. Long johns, again, if it gets cold, and these are trousers for the camp. I use this to store dirty stuff, and everything packs nicely in this bag, and it goes here. It's folded 3 times, so it will stay waterproof even if we get rain. This is ready. On the other side, these are toiletries with some medicine for insect bites and things like that. I have my glass, although it's rubber, and some cutlery. So that's here. Battery pack and basic wiring for telephone. This is air compressor and some tools for the bike. I have spare tire irons and quick stand under the seat. So basically this is covering all my basic needs for this trip. And here I have 2 towels because I like luxury. This is headlamp. I will need it in the camp. This is cord line for drying stuff in the camp. And 2 pillows. This will go on the other side. I will add a compressor when I put this in. So air compressor goes on the top because I may need to re-inflate the tires. And here I will put balaclava and windstopper. This side is ready. Now the camping gear. It goes in 22-liter dry bag. First I will I'm using very good Durston X-Dome 2 tent. It's 2-person tent with enough room to change your clothes in the tent. I really like this one. So this is the tent, these are the poles, but first I will put the sleeping bag in it. It's a down sleeping bag for -2 temperatures. It is packed in 5-liter dry bag. So this goes here. Next, Helinox camp chair, because this makes things a lot nicer in the camp. And poles for the tent. And air mattress. It's C2 Summit Etherlight rectangular but wide. This works perfectly for me. It goes there. And I will place the central bag in its place here. We won't be needing these. So basically this is it, except I need to bring these. I could put these in aux boxes here, but I didn't bother with installing aux boxes because I will be leaving these in the camp anyway, so I will just put them in 5-liter dry bag. And place them here. And I'm ready. Everything is packed. And ready for the trip. So why I like this setup? Because as I said, we'll be camping, so we'll have a base. When we get to the camp, I will just remove this central bag, of course, and I will set up the tent, and I will empty almost everything from these bags. I will keep the Reckless 40 for rides because I will carry some spare tubes, air compressor, some tools, some water, and maybe some snacks. Also, I like to have Reckless 40 sides when I ride, because when the bike falls, it will fall on the bags, which will protect the bag perfectly. So this setup is like very versatile, and it's proven on many rides. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have some comments, please put them in the comment section below. We'll try to answer everything. If you're coming to Dusty Lizard, see you in few days, and if you're not coming, consider it for next year. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.